Choosing where to invest is a big decision. How does Schwab stack up against giants like Fidelity and Vanguard? Let's compare the key differentiators. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Schwab excels in client service, banking integration, and its proprietary checking account with unlimited ATM rebates. Their StreetSmart Edge platform is powerful for active traders. Fidelity often has a slight edge in cash management yields and zero-fee index funds. Vanguard is the leader in ultra-low-cost fund structure, owned by shareholders, but has a more basic platform. My crucial pro tip? Test drive the platforms. All three offer $0 trades and low-cost funds. The deciding factor is often user experience. Open a small account or use demo tools to see which website and app you find most intuitive for your style of managing money. The best broker is the one you'll actually use consistently. Which brokerage firm has won your business, and what was the main reason? For more clear-cut financial comparisons, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.